What's going on, people? Ho-Shing photography. In this video, I'm gonna do some high-speed sync again. You guys are probably wondering, why does this guy do so much high-speed sync? Cause it's amazing. This time I got this bad boy. I got the Neewer 600 watt strobe, similar to the Godox AD600 and the Flashpoint Explorer 600. Same thing, just rebranded. Built-in battery, so I don't need any cords or battery packs. 600 watt strobe, like I said, very powerful, and I can do some high-speed sync with this. I love high-speed sync because why be limited to 1/200th of a second or 1/250th of a second? Why be limited? I should be able to shoot at 1/8000th of a second, whatever. So with high-speed sync, you have no limitations with your shutter speed. Just watch the video. We got a beautiful model, Pangti. She kills it. And we went down to the Scarborough Bluffs, amazing location. So stay tuned and enjoy the photos, and subscribe and like and comment and share, all that good stuff. All right, enough talking, let's get to the action. So I got this beautiful background here, and now I want to shoot at 1.4, so I'm at 1.4, and I'm going to test for my ambient. So right now I'm at 1.4, 3200th of a second, and we'll see what we got, and it's looking pretty crispy. So I'm going to go even faster. I'm going to go to 5000th of a second. And right now the flash isn't on, so I'm just testing my ambient light. Okay, so let's keep it at 5. And now I'm gonna pop that flash on. I'm gonna have it at full power. And boom, look at that. Maybe I'm gonna go faster though. I'm gonna go 6400th of a second. Yeah, there we go.